Step 1. Draw the margin. Teacher's Day Drawing Step by Step, Motivational Drawings for Students. Step 2. From the middle of the white page to the bottom, give the yellow color. Teacher's Day Drawing Step by Step, Motivational Drawings for Students. The white page will be yellow from the middle to the bottom. There will be more yellow in the middle of the page and less yellow at the bottom. You will use two types of oil pastels here. Use more yellow pastels at the top and fewer yellow pastels at the bottom. Step 3. Give a little more brown color on the yellow color in the middle of the page. Teacher's Day Drawing Step by Step, Motivational Drawings for Students. Now you need brown color. Apply masking tape to the white part along the middle of the page. The reason for giving masking tape is that the color does not go on the upper part. Now add a little more brown color from the upper part. Here at the top in the middle of the white page. Step 4. Draw two trees in the middle of the white page. Teacher's Day Drawing Step by Step, Motivational Drawings for Students. We will remove the masking tape. So far what we have drawn is soil. Now we will draw two trees on the ground, a big tree on the left and a small tree on the right. Here the small tree will compare the teacher and the big tree the student. Step 5. Paint the leaves of the tree. First, give yellow color to the leaves of the tree. There are no leaves here, you just have to draw and color the leaves with yellow. Then paint the green on the yellow in the shape of a leaf. Paint the side of the leaf yellow. Step 6. Draw the roots of the tree. As in the previous picture, paint the next tree yellow next to the green. Then draw the roots of the tree with the help of a black marker pen. The roots of small trees will be big and the roots of big trees will be small. Draw the roots of the tree as you wish. Here we will compare the teacher's song by the roots of the tree. Step 7. Write the summary of the picture. Teacher's Day Drawing Step by Step, Motivational Drawings for Students. We will write on a big tree, never mind I am more knowledgeable than my teacher. We will write on the small tree, a student has no idea of his teacher's knowledge. And also wrote, always respect your teacher.